Did you know the rate of mortgage has gone down and the monthly payments have gone down by $600 for a $1 million home? That's really great news for first-time buyers and move-up and move-down buyers. Also, the number of properties in the market has actually increased by 35%. We are the Tom Joseph team. My name is Tom Joseph. I'm the broker.
My name is Jom Joseph. I'm a real estate broker and a mortgage agent.
My name is Jessenia. I'm a real estate agent and the admin and marketing coordinator.
I'm Cicy, the realtor with the team. Since supply has gone up, it's a good time for the first-time buyers, move-up and move-down sellers to get such a great deal. Even though the inventory has gone up by 50% when compared to last year, the prices are still stable. Price cut, maybe it is gone maybe at 2% down, but the buyers and sellers getting a great deal. Even the sellers, for them to sell, the market is showing that even though it is staying in the market for a little longer, the price is still there.
Daniel, you recently helped a client of yours in a similar situation?
Yes, I did, Jessenia. Actually, my client wanted to sell their property. It took few days longer, but they got the right price. And also, they were able to get a bigger property with a bigger backyard, which they wanted, at a great deal.
That's great.
Yeah, I know the Bank of Canada actually cut interest rate 0.25% again beginning of this month. It has become like 2.75% compared to last year 5%. Now the housing market is more affordable and more cheaper, especially for first-time buyers. And also we have to understand that the inflation is actually creeping up, and it is always a better time to lock in your rate either from 30 days to 90 days, so that once you buy the property, you can make a decision whether fixed or variable is better for you according to your situation.
Didn't you help a client recently, a first-time buyer?
That's right. I mean, based on his previous interest rate, and now he is paying actually $300 cheaper compared to the interest rate he was paying earlier.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
One of the weaker segments that we're still seeing in the real estate market is the condo market. As we know, a lot of first-time home buyers who did purchase condos within the last 3 to 5 years, a lot of them have, their families have grown. They're looking to upsize and get a bigger property. So taking advantage of this market right now would be really great for them. We actually recently helped one of our clients who sold their 2-bedroom condo in Scarborough for $600,000.
Yeah.
They ended up purchasing a 3-bedroom townhouse in Whitby for $700,000, so only $100,000 difference.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the advantage now for that $100,000 difference, the rate has come down.
Yeah.
So on that price range, their monthly payments have actually gone down by $300.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Right? So they are at an advantage currently.
Yeah,
Right?
and they got a bigger backyard and a 3-bedroom, right? So they are pretty happy with moving up, even with the $100,000 increase in mortgage, even though they're paying less.
It's important to note not all areas of the market are struggling. We are seeing a lot of the low-rise homes in Toronto and Durham still seeing a lot of strong demand. We've noticed actually 50% of the sale prices that have closed have been selling over list price. So I think as long as it's a desirable property that's priced well, you are going to still find motivated buyers who are willing to compete for it.
So you mean with the multiple offers also, right? Some areas?
Exactly.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, each area is different.
Each area is different.
Now, incentives that the Ontario government has introduced is that they're giving a home renovation incentive, and they're giving a credit of about 30% when you do some renovations on certain items.
Yes.
This is to save energy and also help sellers actually, put some money in their pocket.
Yeah.
Now, what we are finding is we have helped few of our sellers who have actually enrolled in that program. And we have some contacts. Our contractors will also help you with the process. So when you look at the whole picture, currently, right now, the rates are down. So we are seeing on the example that we showed you earlier, about $600 less on a 1 million home on payments. Second, there's a lot of supply of homes out there. So this is a great time for you to buy a home that you really want. On the example Jessenia gave, where they actually sold a 2-bedroom and bought a 3-bedroom with a bigger backyard. They found the house that they love and their family was growing. So they actually got a home for a great price. And then lastly, the incentives the government is offering, so more people can actually come to the market. Thinking of buying, selling, or investing? Call us, email, or text us, or click on the link below, and we can guide you through the process.